Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. I'm Victor Obiefulam. Thank you for coming. In today's video, if you're looking for a gaming phone, this phone is for you. If you're looking for a good camera quality for your content creating, this phone is for you. Most especially, this phone, we are just focusing on the camera quality and the gaming quality. This phone processor is just designed for gaming. If you're a content creator, a gaming content creator, grab this opportunity now. It's for you. Yes, this is the new Infinix GT20 Pro. The GT20 Pro have 5,000 battery capacity. 5,000 battery capacity. And the camera quality is 108 MP. But the most thing and the most expensive thing in this phone is that this phone is just designed for gaming. If you are a if you are into gaming, if you are into gaming, or you are someone that love gaming, this phone is made for you. Yes, as you can see in this phone, I just both the look, the pack, everything, the processor. Yes, the processor is designed for gaming. So if you're someone that I love gaming, or you are into YouTube gaming things, so you get this phone. Well, I'm not going to go more about this phone. All the detail you need to know about this phone is in the description. Go to the description and this phone is for you. Thank you for coming here. I'm Victor Obiefulam and this is my YouTube content. So I bring reviews and practical things. Thank you for coming. If you're new here, subscribe, come back for more video. And thanks for my old subscriber. I really want to thank you all. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel and thank you for all following me. Thanks a lot. Well, if you want to know how I made this background here, hmm, comment below so I can teach you how to make background for your videos. You're welcome. Thank you.